Alright, here's another modernized Haughton swing door elevator. This is in building D. So obviously these are still relay controlled. I'm not sure how old the controller is or the motor, but they do not sound new. Haughton AC elevators. I can't imagine that's still Haughton up there. These elevators made the news. Still not going to reveal the location out of respect for the tenants. 2,000 found capacity. I think these two first elevators I've seen here are my first swing door elevators with the automatic doors here. Phone box is sealed shut. There's no phone in this thing. Yeah, these do not sound healthy. There is an escape hatch and a camera, but I think the leasing office is closed. So I don't think I got to worry about that. Listen to this thing stopping. Really cool. Alright, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Bam.